Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Home to a smart home app. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open the IFTTT app on your mobile device or visit the IFTTT website. Log into your IFTTT account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, tap on the Create button to start building a new applet. Select IFTTT to choose a trigger for your applet. Search for Google Assistant in the services list. Choose a trigger from the available options, such as say a phrase with a text ingredient. Follow the prompts to set up your chosen trigger. Once configured, select then that to determine what will happen when your trigger activates. Search for the smart home device or service you want to connect, such as Philips Hue or SmartThings. Choose the action you want to execute with the selected service. Follow the prompts to connect your smart home service to IFTTT. You may need to sign in and authorize IFTTT to access your smart home device. After linking your smart home service, review your triggers and actions to ensure they are set up correctly. Tap the Finish button to complete your applet creation. Now, open your Google Home app on your mobile device. Ensure your Google Home device is set up and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your mobile device. In the Google Home app, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Assistant Settings from the menu. Scroll down and tap on Web and App Activity. Make sure this setting is turned on for IFTTT to work properly. Next, return to the main screen of the Google Home app. You can now test your applet by saying the trigger phrase you set earlier. Make sure everything is functioning as expected. If there are issues, revisit the IFTTT app to troubleshoot your applet. You are now ready to enjoy the convenience of controlling smart home devices using Google Home and IFTTT. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.